The C5515 EZDSP USB port has also an OLED, an organic light emitting diode. So similar to a liquid crystal display LCD, and we can see here in these schematics that we have the OLED here. This is OSD9616 model, and we have this power circuit that is enabled by the GPIO 12 from the microprocessor, and then we have also the communication of the I2C bus. So it's a 96 by 16 dot matrix. We are using the I2C bus address 03C. You'll find this on this data sheet of the EZDSP. But the problem is we don't have any information about this OLED. I couldn't find anywhere a data sheet. I couldn't find anywhere any information about this. So I am pretty much stuck with the examples that comes with the EZDSP board, and with some examples from Texas Instruments, and I can use some information from another OLED, the SSD1306, and try to figure out how to use this OLED here.